Hello, everyone. Today we introduce you to Cherokee, a premium leather bag for all Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 models, Moto Guzzi V9 Bobber models, all 2022 up Indian Chief models, all Scout Bobber models, all Scout Rogue models, and all 2025 Scout models. Smooth vegetable tan leather and premium buckles grant the quality that makes our saddlebags so popular. Fidlock magnetic buckles grant a fast loading experience, while regular buckles allow you to register the straps according to your loading needs. This bag can be installed on different models thanks to hard mount or detachable installation kits that are always included and that are tailored for the motorcycle of destination. Cherokee is equipped with an iron back panel that allows for a sleek installation while granting the proper support on motorcycles that are stock or that are equipped with piggyback shocks. Compatibility is the key. This bag can be easily installed on both sides of all motorcycle models of destination without relocating the turn signals. Thanks to its looks and to its ease of use, Cherokee is bound to become your favorite riding companion.